Hey Trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Trackies, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. Trackies, the Jamaican Senior Trials, the star lists are out for the men's 100-meter semi-final. Trackies, this again is going to be a hot race. Trackies, we saw a plethora of sub-10s. Yeah, we did in this heat. Quite a few athletes came out of left field and shocked us. I'm pleasantly surprised. I'm enjoying what I'm seeing because it means that Jamaica is back in business when it comes to the men's 100 meters. Me not complain, right? I'm enjoying it. I'm loving it. Now, obviously, that throws all my predictions out the door, but I don't mind. I don't mind. Whoever comes on the day, I will take it. And of course, these athletes have my full support. Now, there was one disappointment, obviously, from the Heat, which is Johan Blake getting disqualified. However, we have to, tread forward. So in the semifinal, number one, we have Jelani Walker, we have Conway Jones, we have Rohan Watson, we have Kishane Thompson, we have Nigel Ellis, we have Ramon Barneswell, we have Taekwondo Tracy, and we have Raheem Ford. Well, off the bat track is just reading off this, I can tell you right now, say heat number two, semi-final number two, are the race of death. Jesus, me not even want to see it yet. Okay, focus. Heat now, semi-final number one. Who makes it through? Again, the same thing applies. They're going to take 3 plus the next 2 best times. So, my 3 are clearly Kishane Thompson, Kishane Thompson running an absolutely ridiculous race. Rohan Watson again, 2 MVP guys running really well. Who is my next pick? It's between Nigel Ellis and Raheem Ford for this race. I don't know who though. Ramon Barneswell is in it with a shout as well. I'm gonna pick 2, and let's see who takes that third automatic qualifying spot, and maybe some of the guys can get through on a fastest you know next best time. The issue at hand is that the faster heat comes after this, so I mean I really know what gonna happen, but you know what? Let's see. Heat number 2 or semi-final number 2 track is we have Sandra Davison, we have Odain McPherson, we have Akeem Blake, we have Kadrian Golson, we have Oblique Seville, we have Michael Campbell, we have Bouwahjgie and we have Julian Fort. Track is mentally right now. The fastest finishers, the 2 next best time, will come from the heat. Yeah. I'm sorry. Or the semi. I'm sorry. Yeah. My top 3. I'm gonna go with Oblique, Akeem, and Kadrian. Those are my 3. Solid 3 right there. The next best time them now track is Julian, I figure try figure something out. Michael Campbell, I figure try figure something out and see who can make it in trackies. But I have the 2 fastest finishers finishing from this race. Wow. Wow. They send me them hot trackies, them hot like fire, them a burn up. But you know what? I want Jamaica, we say. One Jamaica, we say. Put your personal biases aside. Now I know that's strange coming from me that harps on Elaine all day, every day. But yeah, put your personal biases aside and support the athlete. Whoever makes it, let us go out and cheer for them. And again, wish them all the best. So let's see what happens. Trackies, tell me your thoughts in the comment section below. Who do you think makes it to the finals? And then from the finals, who will win? Again, Trackies, sound off. Like the video and subscribe. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.